Hey, loves, what's going on? What's going on? So, I just thought I would bring y'all this real quick video of my home Christmas decorations. It's something light, it ain't too extravagant, too major. I wanted to do more. I kept saying I was going to add more to my decorations, and I just haven't done it yet. And I wasn't even going to upload this video, but I'm like, you know what? Christmas is next week, so I need to go ahead and get this video out there because it don't look like I'm going to get any more decorations incorporated. So, anyways, these are little gifts at the bottom. I got these, I know the little bitty boxes I got from the dollar store. The bigger Christmas present ones, I want to say I got those from Menards, not 100% for sure. The tree definitely came from Menards. It is a pre-lit tree. The smaller decorations, most of those came from the dollar store. The little diamond things, I can't remember where I got those from. This wreath came from Party City. The big bulbs here that kind of matched the wreath came from Party City. And the bigger ornaments, I want to say them came from the dollar store too. But yes, this is my tree. It's basic. It's not, like I said, too extravagant, but it's simple, but it's nice. I did plan on doing more, but in those big bulbs, I bought the last one from Party City. I was supposed to go back and try to find more or go to a different Party City, and I never did. You see, I got the little ones in the middle, but I just feel like it's plain. I feel like I needed the bigger bulbs all the way through, but we ain't even gonna worry about it. It's all good. We ain't gonna worry about it. I ain't gonna stress over it. But anyways, so yes, this is my Christmas tree, and my girls did most of the decoration. I helped them decorate, but they did most of the decorating. So anywho, that angel, I want to say, came from Cracker Barrel. And those little diamond like ornaments, I done had those for so long, so many years, and I can't remember where I got those from, to be quite honest. Yeah, those diamonds right there. I can't remember where I got them from. So, but this is just a little train. It doesn't light up. It don't do anything. It's just there, a little Christmas train. And as you guys can see, my village again is very basic this year. Next year I'm going all out. I've seen a lot of like little village where the things move and, you know, is interactive and it light up and sing and do all this stuff. So next year we going all out though. But anywho, I'm just showing y'all some more of this tree. But yeah. So I've been seeing a lot of the home decor on YouTube, and I just been loving it. And it just makes me want to, you know, inspires me to step my game up more. Even a close friend of the family, like, they decorations are so, like, they put a lot of effort into it. And it just makes me want to do more, but like I said, it's so late in the season. I'm just like, I'll just save it for next year and start, you know, I'll start buying stuff now, but I'm going to just wait for next year to kind of step my game up. So yes, you guys, this is just my little figurine village. I do want to say most of these things came from the dollar store. I don't know. Honestly, I've had this village for so long, I don't really even know where I got this stuff from. I don't know why I want to say it came from the dollar store, but that's what I want to say. But I don't know, because I haven't seen any of these things in the dollar store so recently, but maybe they did have it years ago. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But anyhow, you guys, this tree right here is supposed to be lit up. And I'm annoyed because we just recently got it, and it was working at first, but now it's not for some reason. So that is frustrating and annoying. So we got to return it. And this is Frosty. And the two little candle holders on the side, I've had them quite some time. And actually, I leave those up all year round, you guys. I do. Sometimes I turn them on, sometimes not, but they stay up all year round. You see this tree right here? That's how the other tree is supposed to look. And it doesn't, because it's not lighting up. So, that's what I'm saying. I just procrastinate, and I'll be so busy with other stuff. I should have took that tree back a long time ago. But Santa, I want to say, came from Cracker Barrel. That Santa came from Cracker Barrel. The little two Santas on the side came from the dollar store. Those are super old. I've had those forever as well. But yes, and then these also, the bells on top of the speaker came from the dollar store. And Frosty came from Party City. 2 little candles, dollar store. And had those for years as well. Dollar store. The candy canes there. Dollar store. And actually, you guys, I have added a little more decorations since I recorded this video, but I'm not recording it again. This video almost didn't get posted as it is. But yes, this came from Cracker Barrel. It sings Christmas songs and lights up, and it's pretty cool. I like it. It's cool. And we got a really good deal on it. It was a nice little percentage off. I can't remember how much we paid, but it was, you know, good deal. But yeah, I almost didn't re-upload this video because my decorations are not what I want them to be. It's not, I wanted to do more. So I was like, I'm gonna wait until I do more. But then it's getting so far in the season. I'm like, either I'm gonna upload it or I'm not. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and upload it, even though it's not as extravagant as I want it to be. Somebody will appreciate it. Whatever. I'm just uploading. But this is my village, you guys, lit up. I turned all the lights off in the house in this area, and I ran these Christmas lights through it, and just to light it up a little bit. But since this video, I have bought some little figurine Christmas light posts that I ran throughout the village. But yeah, they're not in this video, so it lights it up. Like with the cute little light post, you know, it's cute. And so yes, but they do have the village pieces that move and sing, and they're a little more animated. I'm gonna get those ones next year for sure. But this is a tree lit up with the lights off. So just wanted to show y'all that. I just wanted to show you guys how everything is lit up when the lights in the area are off. So that is that. So just walking through, showing you these little candle holders with the lights off as well. And yeah, and my tree that ain't lit up, that's supposed to be lit up behind there. But I ain't mad. It's all good. I'm just returning. See the little angel in the back? I leave her up all year round too. Yep, she stays up all year round. So, but she is a Christmas angel, but I mean, it's not like Christmas colors, and I think it's cute. I like it, so I'll leave it up all year round. Same like I do those candle holders. So, there, yes, my tree that's lit up. I really, really like that tree. I almost started to put one in my bedroom, but I don't know why we didn't. I ended up not doing it, but I almost started to put one in the bedroom. And this is the little thing that lights up and sings and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I just thought it was cute, and I thought it was cool, and I was just happy that they had it in a black Santa. Ain't nothing wrong with white Santa, but you know, we want stuff that look like us. So these are just some pictures, you guys. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope somebody got something and appreciated this video, even though it's not your usual. Make sure y'all come see me next year. Whatever you guys end up doing, just make sure you're safe this Christmas, whether you're at home or traveling, visiting family. We keeping it simple. We're gonna be in the house, just my immediate family. I'm gonna cook and just keep it simple. I wanted to go to Texas to see my sister, but I'm so afraid of traveling. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Make sure y'all rate, comment, and subscribe, and go watch my other videos. Check them out. All right, y'all. Merry Christmas. Bye, loves. Deuces.